purchase error on Mac. 1. Check your Microsoft 365 account. Open your browser and visit the Microsoft account page. Sign in with the account you use for Office. Check whether your Microsoft 365 subscription is active. Make sure you are not using a different Microsoft account in Excel. 2. Sign out of Microsoft Office. Open Excel. Click your profile/account icon. Select Sign Out. Close Excel and all other Office applications. 3. Sign in again. Reopen Excel, click Sign In, enter the Microsoft account connected to your Microsoft 365 license. Try creating a new workbook. 4. Update Microsoft Office. Open Excel. Go to Help, check for updates. Install any available updates. Restart Excel after the update finishes. 5. Remove old Office credentials. Open Keychain Access on your Mac. Search for Office or Microsoft. Remove outdated Office-related credentials. Restart your Mac. 6. Reset Office license. Use Microsoft's official Office license removal tool. Follow the instructions to remove old activation information. Restart your Mac when finished. 7. Activate Office again. Open Excel after restarting. Select Sign In. Use the Microsoft account with the active license. Wait for Office to complete the activation. 8. Check for multiple Microsoft accounts. Make sure Excel is signed into the correct account. If you have multiple Microsoft accounts, sign out of the unnecessary account. Sign in with the account that owns your Office license. 9. Reinstall Microsoft Office. Uninstall Microsoft Office from your Mac. Restart the Mac. Download and reinstall Office from your Microsoft account. Open Excel and sign in again. 10. Test Excel. Create a new blank workbook. Try typing and editing cells. Save the workbook. If the activation message is gone, Excel is working normally. Note, if the Microsoft account does not have an active Microsoft 365 subscription or valid Office license, the desktop version of Excel will continue showing the activation or purchase message,